Hi, today I'm making a loaded grilled cheese sandwich. This is an incredible sandwich. It begins with rustic Italian bread, two types of cheeses. I've used extra sharp white cheddar as well as pepper jack. And I'm going to also use mayonnaise, so Best Foods mayonnaise. I'm going to use that. And we're going to slice up some tomato. I have arugula here, as well as roasted peppers. So I made these roasted peppers myself because I had quite a few bell peppers. And a few of them were starting to soften, so I thought I would go ahead and cut them up. I drizzled them in olive oil, did some salt with it and baked them until they were soft. And then I refrigerated them, and they're wonderful snacks. They're great for antipasto dishes as well as what I'm making here, which is a loaded grilled cheese sandwich. So the Italian rustic bread is really long, so I cut it in half, and I'm covering it with mayonnaise on both sides. Mayonnaise gives it a great flavor as well as it can brown beautifully. I've put two slices of the extra sharp cheddar cheese, and it's the white cheddar, on one side, and I've placed some of my roasted bell peppers on that side, and then I've added one slice of pepper jack cheese on the other, as well as arugula and tomatoes, and then I've transferred them to my pan. Now I've put a tiny bit of oil just to kind of make sure that everything is sort of cooking, not very much at all, just a little drizzle. And it's going to sizzle up and brown, and the cheese is going to start to melt. And so I'm flipping it, the entire sandwich. And as you can see, there's still a little mayonnaise on it, and it's starting to seep through a little bit. But I just continue to flip it until it's golden brown. And then I'm transferring it to a plate. Now, the tomatoes and arugula are, they hold up pretty well. I've cut this in half, and you can see that it is a beautiful sandwich. It's got the arugula, the bell peppers, the tomatoes on this toasted golden brown rustic bread, and two types of cheeses. This is a treat indeed. So this is my loaded grilled cheese sandwich.